Hi friends, how are you? Myself Bobby Croy, and I am a mathematics faculty. So I am here for discussing about a very important topic, and that is success. Actually, the main concept, theme of this word is very important, and nowadays we used to forget the main concept and main meaning of this success word. And many times that I have been asked questions by the students that, sir, how can I be a successful person? How can I be a successful person? Actually, while I was just giving the answer to them, I was little bit confused, little bit flummoxed about this word, success. Actually, what does it mean? I'm little bit confused for that. And because actually everybody wants to be a successful person by knocking the other persons to the end of the merit list. And everybody just actually comparing this word success to the merit list nowadays. Just I am telling about the students especially. It means they want to get success means what? They want to secure the first position in any merit list. But for me, getting success and securing the first position in any merit list, that are not similar thing. They are not same thing. Success is the another word, and merit is another word. Merit list. Just if you are securing the first position, first, second, third position in any merit list, then you will get employed by the government or by any other actually employment services. But getting this employment and this merit list actually doesn't signify that you are a successful person. For me, actually, it is my opinion that that you are getting the jobs, you are actually securing the first and second and third positions, and you are getting the employment, and you will be a successful one. For me, it is not the success. Actually, whenever the society will be benefited, for me actually, whenever the society will be benefited by your different ideas, by your education, by your mentality, your creative thinking, your innovative ideas, if the society is benefited, then it can be considered as a success. So, if your ideas are supposed to help the society to be grown up, then only you will be successful. For me actually. So that after that anybody, everyone around you will remember your name. Now this man is man of ethics. So the bookish educations is not so much sufficient to be successful. If you want to be successful, then try to contribute different ideas, different innovative ideas, creative ideas for the society, for the common people, so that they can enjoy these things for making their lives easy and comfortable. So actually, but now we are extremely committed to such kind of things, such kind of activities which are not the thing to be admired. Just let me be frank. That means we are just committed in such kind of things, such kind of ideas, which may not be the actually useful for the society. Actually, we are trying to fix the society to some extent, where the discrimination is comprised even in child's mind also. So do you really think that we are successful? I don't think so. No, never. If your thinking is negative, then you can't be the successful person. You are not supposed to be treated as a successful one for me. So we will not be successful until the healthy mentality actually is inculcated in our mind. So if you want to be a successful, then the healthy thinking used to be comprised in your mind first. And everybody just prejudiced people infected the society in a very intense way. And everybody is just frightened about the religion, caste, color, etc., etc. And the prominent individuals are not even considering the reality of things. The prominent personalities of the society, they are not even trying to improve the society, improve the present status of the society. And that is the most dangerous thing that we are facing right now. What do you think, that we are successful? No, I don't think so. Just comprising this type of mentalities, instead of getting much more education, much more vocational knowledge, and instead of actually securing the first, second and third positions in any merit list, your mentality is not healthy. Then how can you be a successful person? Just take things. So if you want to be a successful, then try to improve your thinking, improve your ideas, so that the common people, those who are not getting that kind of privileges from the government, from the societies as well, to get the proper education, just try to set an idea in front of them so that they can use to improve their lifestyle actually. Okay, so every time just we all are getting committed to the vicious circle, and actually intensive rage. So the humanity, for me actually, the humanity can't be defined like that. And as I know that we are the most important creature of the nature. And I think the magnanimity of the creature gives us this power to determine, to discriminate the things, which one is bad and which one is good. Instead of getting rid of we are plunging ourselves to such kind of activities, such kind of things which are not be the significations of a successful person. So just we are not trying to set any kind of things in front of the society. Just we are just thinking about ourselves only. That means how can I improve my life? How can I improve? How can I earn this money? How can I? That means just we are trying to fix the world according to our needs, according to our demand. Yes, in some context we can say this word needs to be extended. But as a human being, as an educated person, we will have to fix the human being first and their mentality. As an educated individual, we will have to make them realize which ideas is good and which ideas are bad. It is our prime duty. So students or friends, if you want to be a successful person, successful individual, then try to actually deliver, try to convey this message to the other person also. That humanity, human beings are the best creation of nature, and actually try to give them a free passage to think actually freely, to think freely, talk freely. So everywhere this actually, and our democracy says these things, and to speak any kind of things which is useful for our country, which may be actually implemented in the different education system, in the economy as well. So actually instead of exploiting and fixing the world, we need to fix the human being first, so that we really can accept this world successfully. So just concisely that you can say, if you want to be a successful person, then securing the first positions, first, second, third, securing actually scoring the highest marks, high marks in maths, physics, chemistry, bio, and in other subjects, pol science and this history, English, etc., etc., is not sufficient. As an educated person, as a teacher, we have the much more responsibilities than the others. We, the students, we the teachers, our responsibility is to fix the society first, is to fix the mentality of the society which is actually imposed, which is being imposed in our mind. So this word successful is very big word, and no need to actually compare this success to the competition. We are not in competition, just we are fighting for our existence. So this success word is the another thing. So students, just if you want to become a successful person, then try to set the good things, try to set the footsteps so that everyone can enjoy your ideas, everyone can entertain your different creative ideas, so that they can improve their lifestyle. So day by day, this actually we need to instill this mentality and this thinking to our children's, to our next generation's mind also. So that their mind is supposed to be healthy for actually taking the decisions, any kind of decisions, for making this country successful, to making this country actually best amongst of all the countries. Thank you very much. This is the things that I want to deliver. So thank you very much. Bye.